This is Bridgeton High School. It is the school that I attend. And if you would like to learn how to make a school like this for your dolls, well then I suggest that you stick around.
What you'll need is glue, duct tape, paint, a paintbrush, scissors, scrapbook paper, and cardboard. You'll also need reflective paper for your windows. And 3 good-sized cardboard boxes stacked on top of each other. Close all your boxes and duct tape them shut. Then stack your boxes on top of each other and glue them with a good sturdy glue, such as wood glue. For the roof of the school, use black scrapbook paper. First cut into strips and then cut into squares. With the black squares that you just cut, glue them into a uniform fashion on the very top box, like so. With another piece of cardboard, cut out anywhere from 4 to 6 squares for your windows. Take your squares and glue reflective paper on them, then cut thin strips of cardboard, glue them on top of the windows, and color them with permanent marker or silver paint. Take your windows and position them anywhere on the 3 boxes that you want. When you decide where you want your windows, then glue them with a nice sturdy glue. I cut out a separate piece of cardboard and glued it on the 3 boxes for doors. This is how mine turned out, but you don't have to do it this way. You can go along with a different pattern if you choose. I glued reflective paper on the cardboard for the doors. Then I used another strip of cardboard and colored it silver, and then 2 small pieces of cardboard, colored them silver for the doorknobs. However, I was not happy with this design. I ended up having a design flaw with my doors, so what I decided to do was use craft sticks, colored them silver, and trimmed them around the doors, and this was the end result. For the bricks, what I used is a ruler and a pen, and I drew strips on a piece of cardboard. Then I used the ruler and trace again to make squares, and then I cut the squares out and cut the squares in half to resemble bricks. After cutting the bricks, I painted them red, let them dry, and then I glued them onto the cardboard boxes resembling the building. After I was done with that, I used a black permanent marker and I colored in between all the bricks. But if you choose to, you can use black paint and paint between the bricks instead. I opted to put the name on the top half in the front part of the building, and I named it Bridgeton High. But if you want, you can make a separate sign for your high school, and you don't need to name it Bridgeton High. You can name it whatever you want. I also decided to make a bench to sit either in front or beside the high school. Now, if you want the instructions on how to make this bench, please see the video How to Make a Bench for Your Doll.